Off-season prep has gone great, especially compared to last year. We didn't have too great of an off-season just due to having a crash. But so far, yeah, just trying to train hard so I come out swinging this year. There's not really any person that I'm really worried about. That's not really what I'm looking at. I feel like I've kind of established that I can beat everybody in the 250 class through outdoors and SMX. I feel like Supercross I was a little unlucky coming in, so I just wasn't able to show my full potential till the end. But anyone wants to race, I'm down for it. But right now it's just kind of me versus me when I go to the races and trying to perform the best I can. I've tried to stay away from that stuff just so I'm not mentally screwed before I go race. But I just go through the things, telling myself no one can beat me before I race, and that's kind of how I get locked in. Listen to some music and get fired up. I think we're kind of past the yelling part. He was like that to me for a little bit, but now that we're closer and I've been on the team for a while, and Bobby likes when we win, so he obviously gets me fired up. He knows how to press the buttons, telling me these guys are faster, these guys are gonna beat you, and just gotta prove them wrong. So it's always cool too. He kind of doubts you for the race. That kind of gets me fired up, and then bring the trophy in there and show him that he can't doubt me. But besides that, he knows how to get me fired up. Since I can remember, my dad was bringing me there, and I just always imagined being the guy racing on the track, how sick that would be in front of all the fans, and I kind of turned it into reality now. So it is obviously, the first time experiencing that, going to the stadium, lined up, you're next to a guy that you watched as a kid when I was at Supercross, and you're like, damn, I'm racing these guys, I'm in front of thousands of people. Like, it was super exciting. Now I'm used to it, but winning in front of that many people is obviously really cool too, because crowd goes wild and stuff. But yeah, now I'm used to it.